Voila, everything's done. Just do a setup. There's no sound because that's what happened when you're gonna change a 4 channel. So Kevin's gonna be having a lot of fun.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Yep. So my friend right here, Kevin, crazy guy right here. He's he got a nice system. So this is American base 12 with this Sundown 5000 Class D, but he decided that his speaker is not loud enough, his mid-range speaker. So we're gonna switch the factory radio to an aftermarket. It's I believe it's a Kenwood 4-channel. Well, not 4-channel. He's gonna run a 4-channel amp. So what we did, we ran a 9-wire conductor and 2 jacks because he already have a sub jack already. So I'm gonna remove the stereo out. I'm gonna install the radio, and then we're gonna run this 9-wire conductor all the way to the back form with the 2 jacks, so that way he have a front and the rear. So as you can see, this car is dusty. He's got probably a dog, or I figure it's a dog. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start prying this out right there. We're not gonna use this factory stereo anymore, so you can start out here. This door trim remover, I use the metal. You can get them at AutoZone or any car parts store. You can buy the plastic one and it works. I use this as being. So what you do, you pry one right here and you pry another one right there. So you gotta step by step it, you know, and then go right there, see? And then right here, don't force it too much, gotta go easy. Pry it. Yep, right there. I'm gonna show you where exact place you could pry this thing, so you don't break or damage this. Oof, look at that. See, some of these, see, that thing is hard to come out, but don't worry about this part. The main part you got out already is this, and this. That's a clip you want to get out. Well, there's 2 more clips, one right here and one right there to get out. Now you need a I think it's a T15. I brought a T20. Let me see. Oh, it is a T20. Let me see if it is T20. It is a T20. So took T20 and removed this 4. Remove it. I'm not gonna remove all the way out yet because it might drop, so I had to use another hand to hold it, but that's how you remove it. The reason I do that because I got another finger right here to hold on to the screw right there. So if you let it out, it's gonna either drop in there or drop somewhere that you're gonna be looking all over for it. So I'm gonna put it down on the bottom right now. You grab one side of your finger right here and then another side and just move it left and right until it comes straight out. So right here we got it all out. This is all the plugs. So what you want to do, you want to push this together right there and move it up. This part, when you press it together, it pushes the clip out, and then you push it straight up right here and it's gonna come out like that. Okay, see this clip, and then right here push this and pull it out. This is the antenna for the radio and for the he probably have a Sirius XM or something. Do you have Sirius XM, Kevin?
It does, yeah.
Okay, that's what that green is. If you flip it upside down, you see this clip. Push that clip and shake it left and right, it will pull it straight out. Actually, you don't push it, you pull it out, and then you can pull it straight out. Once you pull it out, you can push it later. That's what I meant. See, you pull that straight out and then push it down, not straight all the way out. It will stop, it have a stop, and then you push it, it'll come right out. That's a stereo. The wiring harness that I'm going to be needing is RAP-VW9003. This is a cheaper version because if you what happened with the cheaper version, you don't have the accessory, so you have to find the accessory, either cigarette lighter or accessory from somewhere else. I'm gonna find that later, but this is a 12-volt constant. That's the only thing about cheap. Would you spend $20-$30 or would you want to spend $139? That's a question I want to ask some of you guys. So if you want to put a $139, it does come with the accessory wire, so you just plug it, basically plug and play. But in my case, I'm running the 9-wire conductor, so the 9-wire conductor will go straight to this thing right there from the amp. And then I had to find the accessory, and they also have ground and everything already. It doesn't have the amp, because you can see this blue wire that's turn the amp on. It doesn't have it on the back right there. So now I just need my 9-wire conductor and the RCA jack. He's gonna run it for me. What you want to do, this 9-wire conductor that I'm using, you want to cut it like that. Just take the insulation out, then you want to split it like this so you can get to the 9-wire. In my case, I connect all the 9-wire conductor. The blue is for an amp turn on, and then wire to wire, basically the one with the stripe, the black stripe, is negative. So you got white to the white, white, black to the white, black. This is for the left front, and then gray and gray black, that's right front, and then green and green black, that's the left rear, and then purple and purple black. As you remember, that one with the stripe is negative. I hook up the yellow wire to the yellow, which is 12-volt constant, staying on all the time from the battery. I hook up this switch bypass right there so they can watch a DVD to the black. And then I took the blue out because there's nothing connect to that. So I ran an accessory down here right there. The reason I'm doing right there, I couldn't get this out, and it is short, so I don't want to break anything. So I'm gonna just tape this thing up, and then I'm gonna plug it all back. In this case right there, I'm running a 4-channel, so I'm gonna hook up this jack, one of them to the front, and then one of them to the rear. And then we're gonna wait for another jacks for the subwoofer. We're gonna hook it up to the subwoofer on this speakers right there, this radios. Oh, you know, this is the thicker one, the wider one, I should say. It's the top, and this is the bottom. So this is the DDXR, I mean, it's on the right side. So right side is over here. So we're gonna put it like that, push it in, leave it like that, and then we'll got the other side, the left side. It's kind of difficult instruction because I'm kind of do a different way. So now you trying to push it in, and then you find the screw that came with whatever radio you install. It's gonna go in just perfectly right. See that? Snap in like so. Oh, I got it upside down if you see that. So it's gonna look like that. We just talk about that. See, when you do it upside down, you're gonna get it upside down sometime. Ain't that right? I open the manual up and trying to figure out which one this is, but I know exactly that. So right here, if I turn the key on, it will show 12 volt right there. So he's gonna turn the key on for me. So it's 12 volt right there. So that's what I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna use an add-on if you add a fuse. So add a fuse is this piece right there. It's pretty neat. So what you do, you take it out, put that 10 on here, and then put another 10 on fuse. So I put this on the top, so basically if you turn the key on, it's gonna come on. So you don't, go ahead and turn it on. Turn it on, turn the key on. See, it's 12 volt. So basically you want it on the bottom. You want to wrap it on the bottom if you don't have what I have. So take this wire and wrap one of this leg on the bottom and put it like so right there. But if you don't have, In my case, it's easy. I put 2 fuses on here. So right there,
I find
everything's plugged in.
every now and again.
And then put the fuse back. So here it is. Turn the key on. It come right on, and put the Beetle ring back.
God damn it.
Voila, everything's done. Just do a setup. There's no sound because that's what happened when you're gonna change the 4 channel. So Kevin's gonna be having a lot of fun.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Yep.